guys, it's Sarah of the FitFoodieMommy.com and welcome back to my kitchen for another cooking video. So today I'm going to share with you one of my little boy's favorites, chicken wings. But this is the healthier version because it's not fried, it's baked, but it's still super crispy and really delicious. And I'm going to pair it with some baked sweet potato fries, and I'll show you how to make it even crispier without frying. So let me show you how to make it. So I have here about 400 grams of chicken wings, and what I'm gonna do is I will soak them with my version of buttermilk, which is just about 2/3 cup of milk, and then half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then we will pour it over our chicken, and I will let this sit for at least about 15 minutes or so. Now while my chicken is still marinating, I'm gonna prepare my sweet potato fries. So I'm gonna cut this into a 1/4 inch, and then we'll cut it lengthwise. The other key thing is for you to arrange them lengthwise and not too crowded, making sure you have some space. You're going to sprinkle it with arrowroot flour. You can also use corn flour. And you do this before sprinkling it with oil, maybe about a teaspoon or so. And now drizzle it with oil. I'm using olive oil. You can also use avocado oil if you like. Spice it up. I have a mix of paprika. I have my Italian herbs. Garlic powder. Lastly, I have my cumin. So it's up to you what flavors you like, but I've found that using all of these combination really gives you flavorful sweet potatoes. And now get your hands dirty again and just make sure that you coat each of the sweet potato fries really well. So now it's time for our chicken. But before that, we will prepare our breading. Instead of the breadcrumbs, I'm using 1 cup of oat flour. And then the secret ingredient, I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup of shredded coconut. And my spices, I have here garlic powder and paprika. And then salt and pepper. We're gonna need 1 egg. So we're gonna dip each of the chicken into the egg and then into the flour mix, the oat flour mix, and into the baking tray. So our chicken is ready for the oven. Bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And our sweet potato fries are also almost ready, and we're gonna put this all together. They are ready, look at that. Our chicken wings are ready, guys. It tastes like fried chicken wings, but it's 100% baked, super healthy and super delicious. I can't wait to try this out. And look at that! Isn't that a beautiful plate? I can't wait to try. So let's first try the fries. Well, I've tried the fries earlier. So a bit of sriracha and tomato sauce. Now for the chicken wings. Trust me guys, you would think they're really fried, but they're not. They're super crispy. Oh my god. It's so good. The milk makes it super tender and it's cooked all the way through. And the breading, the mix of the oat flour and the shredded coconut and all the spices, it gives it a really distinct flavor. It's so good. I can't wait for my little boy to try this. And I hope you love this recipe, guys, and really enjoy it with your family as well. And I'm gonna put the recipe down below this video. And go ahead, make this and let me know how it goes. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.